How to make a cute and easy bow using FlexFrost Sheets, my new favorite thing ever. They're so easy to use, they make things quick, they're really great. Okay, so here I have cut a piece that is 8 inches long by 4 inches tall, and you can see it's got a polka dot print on it. I just pulled a PNG image off of online of polka dots and printed it using my edible ink in my printer. So you can print on these things anything that you want. Super cool. Okay, I just used a little bit of water on the very right and left edges, and I pulled them, this is the back, I pulled them into the middle to meet. Okay, and then I fold it over, and what I'm going to do is push it down, bend it down in the middle, and then pull back the sides. Okay, this is super quick and super easy. I just put a little line of water on the back and the front. I'm pushing it, bending it in the middle, and then bending the sides back. Okay, I know that's a horrible explanation. I don't know how else to describe it. Making a fold in the middle and then bending the sides back, and then using a little bit of water to stick it together. See how quick and easy that was? Go back and watch again if it was hard to follow, and you'll get it. And now I've just got a little scrap piece that I'm just gonna fold over on itself. You know, you can make as many folds in there as you want. I'm kind of folding it in the middle so it looks like it's gathered a little bit. And then I'm going to use a little bit of water along the middle there so that this little piece sticks to it. I'm going to pinch it on, turn it over, use a little bit more water so that it sticks, and that's it. That is the end. That is super quick. If you want to make little tails, you can do that as well, but this was going in the hair of my standing girl cake project, which I'll show you pictures of in a second. I just used a little piping gel to attach it to her hair, and it was super fast and super cute, I think. I definitely recommend using FlexFrost Sheets. I love them. If you want to see a full tutorial of how to make the standing girl cake, come on over to cakeheads.com and sign up for a membership. We'd love to have you over in our Cakeheads family. And thanks for watching. See you later.